Today we shall discuss about the distance formula exercise 2.1. The question number 1 was, look at the screen. Find the distance between the following points. The first question was 3, 2 and minus 1, minus 4. Suppose 3, 2 equal to x1, y1. We can write like that. And minus 1, minus 4 equal to x2 and y2. Suppose P, that one is P and this one is Q. Let P32 equal to x1 y1 and Q minus 1 minus 4 equal to x2 y2. The formula was PQ equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's put the value of x1, y1, x2, y2. The value of x2 equal to minus 1. Let's put the minus 1. Minus. We have to put value of the x1. x1 is 3 whole square plus. Now let's put the value of y2. The value of y2 equal to minus 4 minus. The value of y1 equal to 2. Let's solve this. Minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6. Let's square. Negative number square will be positive and 4 square will be 16. And again negative number square equal to negative square equal to positive and 6 square equal to 36. And what is the value? 6 to 52. 2 square equal to 30. The final value will be 2 root 13. And this is the answer. First number question solved. Let's come to the question number 2. The question number 2 was minus 2, 3 and minus 1, 6. And we can suppose P minus 2, 3 equal to x1, y1 and Q minus 1 minus 6 equal to x2, y2. We already know the formula. Therefore, PQ equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's put the value of x2 and x1. Value of x2 is a minus 1. It's a minus. And value of x1 is minus 2. Again minus 2. Whole square plus y2 minus y1 is a y2 is minus 6 minus and y1 is 3. Minus 1 minus into minus will be plus 2 whole square plus minus 6 into minus 3 minus 9 square. Minus 1 plus 2 will be 1 square and minus 9 square will be 81. And 1 plus 81 is equal to 82. Let's come to the next question. Similarly, we can let P of A minus B, A plus B equal to x1, y1 and Q A plus B, A minus B equal to x2, y2. Therefore, we already know the formula. PQ equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's put the value. What is the value of x2? The value of x2 is a plus b. A plus b. Now let's put the value of x1. Value of x1 is a minus b plus y2 minus y1. Value of y2 a minus b minus y1. Value of y1 a plus b square. Let's break the brackets. A plus b, minus into plus will be minus, minus into minus will be plus, whole square. Again a minus b is here, minus into minus will be minus, minus into plus into minus, minus into plus into equal to minus. Let's put the square. Plus a minus a will be cancelled, and b plus b will be 2b whole square, and minus a will be cancelled, and minus b, another minus b, so 2 times minus b. Two b whole square means 4b square. Minus square will be positive and 4b square. And 4b square plus 4b square will be 8b square. And answer will be 2 root. Answer will be 2b root 2. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 was, look at the screen. Question number 2 was, A is a point on x-axis with abscissa minus 8 and B is a point on y-axis with ordinate 15. Find the distance AB. हमें दिया गया है कि एक x-axis पे एक पॉइंट है जिसकी abscissa कितना है -8 और पॉइंट को हम किससे डिनोट करेंगे a. Then it will be the point a minus 8 0. Since the abscissa is -8 and the point is on x-axis, that's why y coordinate will be 0. That's why a point will be -8 0. Okay, first thing over. Second thing is, since the point is on y-axis and x coordinate will be automatically 0. That's why B point will be 0 and 15. So now we are going to find out the distance of AB. To find out the distance of AB, we have to use distance formula. The distance formula was root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. One thing, we are not here, we can write late here also, late. That -8 0 equal to x1 y1 and 0 15 will be x2 y2. Now put the value x2 minus x1. x2 here, x2 is 0, 0 minus x2 minus x1. x1 value is -8 whole square plus y2 minus y1. The value of y2 is 15 and y1 का value कितना है 0 and put the square. अब यहाँ पे कितना होगा, minus into minus will be plus, it will be 8 square and 15 minus 0 will be 15, it will be 15 square. and the next line will be 8 square means 64 and 15 square will be 225 and the answer will be, and the addition will be 9, 8 and 2, and we know that the square root of 289 is 17. This is the answer. Therefore distance AB equal to 17 unit. The third question was, using distance formula show that the points -1, 2, 3 and 8, 11 are collinear. हमें क्या करना है, -1, 1.23 and 8, 11 इन तीनों पॉइंट क्या है, कोलिनियर है, ये हमें प्रूव करना है। कोलिनियर का मतलब है अगर ए बी सी तीनों पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पे लाई करता है तो इसे बोलेगा कोलिनियर। ये तीन लाइन कोलिनियर है। अब हमें क्या करना है, given 3 points we have to suppose the points to be denoted by A, B and C. Let the points are A -1, B 2, 3 and C 8, 11 and we have a condition. Suppose here is a line. How shall we prove that the points are collinear? We have to find out with distance formula. Now suppose A, B and C is here. Suppose here is a 5 centimeter and here is a 4 centimeter and AB plus BC equal to 9 equal to AC. These three are collinear if the sum of the lengths of two line segments is equal to the third. Now we shall prove with distance formula. We have AB equal to how much? AB equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you are not understanding this equation, then just put the value of x1, y1, x2 and y2 and at the right side. Let's see, x1 and y1 both are value -1 and 2 and 3. So put the value x2 minus x1, x2 means 2, 2 minus -1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus -1 again whole square, 2 minus -1, minus into minus will be plus, 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square equal to 2 plus 1 will be 3 square plus 4 square, 3 square will be 9 and 4 square will be 16 and root over 25 equal to 5. Again BC equal to same formula, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. तुम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, अगर तुम फॉर्मूला बिठाना ना चाहो तो समय बचाने के लिए अगर तुम करना चाहते हो तो कर सकते हो। तो हम क्या करेंगे, x2 minus x1 and we are finding the distance of B and C. x2 minus x1, 8 minus 2, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 and 11 minus 3 whole square. 8 minus 2 will be 6 square. 11 minus 3 will be 8 square. And 6 square will be 36 and 8 square will be 64. And the under root 100 will be 10. AB equal to we found 5 units and BC equal to we found 10 units. Again we have to find out the last one. We already found AB equal to 5, BC equal to 10. AC equal to, the point A was minus 1 minus 1. X2 minus X1, A and C. We have to find this distance between these 2 points A and C. X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. 8 minus minus 1 will be 8 plus 1. You can write direct also. 11 minus minus 1 will be 11 plus 1. 8 plus 1 will be 9 square. And 11 plus 1 will be 12 square. 9 square will be 81. 12 square will be 144. And the sum of 81 and 144 will be 225. And the square root of 225 will be 15. Now we saw that here AB, therefore AB plus BC equal to 5 plus 10 equal to 15 equal to AC. We already made the condition that these 3 points are collinear if sum of 2 line segment is equal to the third one. We already found this condition. Therefore, the points are collinear. Therefore, the points are collinear. Done.